Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to port a phone number over to Google Voice on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do on your iPhone is make sure that your SIM card is unlocked and you're able to port it out. So on that phone, we're going to first head into the Settings app, and then we're going to tap on General here, and then About at the very top. You want to check your current SIM card to make sure there aren't restrictions. If you scroll down, you can see Carrier Lock here. It should say Unlock. In my case, it does say that it is SIM locked, which could prevent me from porting my number from my iPhone over from AT&T over to Google Voice or any other carrier. Now, keep in mind, if it is locked, you might need to just open up a web browser. And in my case, I have AT&T. So I could type in AT&T unlock phone. And then just tap on this unlock phone and then just go through the process of unlocking it so that I have that phone number and that eSIM that's unlocked and I can port it out. After you've done that, all you need to do is open up a new web browser, and we're going to type in port your number to Google Voice. And you'll be able to see it should pop up with this option. It says port your Google Voice number. And all you need to do is scroll down. It does say that there is a fee of $20 to be able to do this. So you do need to pay to port your number from a different carrier into Google Voice. Now, it says before you begin, go through this process and essentially go to Google Voice on your computer or your phone. So let's open up Google Voice. After you're on Google Voice, again, on any devices, it doesn't need to be on a computer. You're going to tap on the gear icon at the top right. And now from here, you can see Account, and it says Port a Number. I can tap on that, and it says again, it will cost $20. Your mobile phone service plan will be terminated when you port your number to Google Voice, and your carrier may charge you an early termination fee. And it says you can use the porting number to replace your current voice number if you wanted to. So first, just hit Get Started. And now you're going to enter in the phone number that you want to port over. Keep in mind, this is the phone number that you use on your iPhone, and it will be transferred from your old carrier over to your new carrier. So just enter in that phone number and hit send a code, and it will check to see if it can be ported over to Google Voice. Keep in mind, when you do this, you might need a PIN code to be able to port it. So in my case, again, I have AT&T, so I can type in AT&T port out. This is what it's called when you're transferring a phone number out of a certain carrier like AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, and you're going to port it in to Google Voice. So you need a PIN number to be able to do this in almost every instance. So it says get a PIN to be able to transfer that wireless number. You can see I can go through the process. It says essentially I can go into my account and request a port out transfer phone number PIN. I can do it with the app, or I could even call Star Port to be able to do this. You're going to need two different things to be able to port into Google Voice. One is you're going to need the account number on your old carrier that has your old phone number. And then the second one is you're going to need this port out PIN number that you're going to request by going through one of these steps. After you go through these steps, again, you can just go back into Google Voice, enter in that phone number with those two numbers, the account number and the PIN number, and then it will just get a code texted to you, and you can go through the process of porting in or transferring in your phone number to Google Voice. After you've done that, you can just download and install Google Voice on your phone or on a computer. You can just go to the App Store or Google Play Store, and then just search for Google Voice and download and install it. And just basically by going through this process, you've transferred everything over from your old carrier to Google Voice. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you used to have any questions. Thanks, guys.